Hey there, I'm Mike, and today we'll cover how to manually override your boom and outrigger controls on an L50R or L65R. Remember, only trained and qualified personnel should perform these procedures. Always read, understand, and follow your manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules, worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. And make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workspace. Be aware that using these manual overrides bypasses all interlocks, anti-tube block protection, and functional slowdowns. Confirm that your planned boom movements are safe, unobstructed, and do not exceed equipment setup or outrigger placement.
The tools you're going to need today are wire cutters, 7/16 socket or wrench, a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and a 12 gauge jumper wire.
Under normal conditions, the outrigger valve, including the boom outrigger selector and boom control valve, are electronically operated. If these controls fail, manual overrides can allow you to lower the boom and outriggers. Note that if the electrical system is down to the point you need the E-pump, it may also be disabled because it's part of the CAN bus system. If that happens, you can jump the E-pump at the solenoid using a jumper wire from the battery input post to the number 10 switch input post. Remember, the E-pump run time is 1 minute on, 4 minutes off to avoid motor damage. Also, ensure the chassis is powered off and cannot be turned on while working. Step 1. Remove the wire and thumb screw. Use wire cutters to clip the securing wire and remove the wing thumb screw from the enable solenoid on the boom control valve. Step 2. Engage the enable valve stem. Thread the thumb screw into the threaded hole on the end of the enable valve stem. Turn it fully to enable the boom control valve. Step 3. Manually shift the spool. Manually press the button on the end of the spool to begin moving the boom. Release it to stop. Step 4. Reinstall the thumb screw. Once the boom is safely lowered and positioned in the rest, remove the thumb screw from the enable valve stem and reattach it with new wire as it was originally. Step 5. Shift solenoid valve S2 to override. Push the button on solenoid valve S2 and twist counterclockwise 180 degrees. Then release. This allows hydraulic flow through the outrigger control valve. Step 6. Press and hold solenoid valve S1. Pressing S1 diverts hydraulic flow from the boom control valve to the outrigger control valve. Step 7. Override the desired outrigger spool. Depress the override button on the spool of the outrigger you want to move. Refer to the diagrams for the correct spool layout for your L50R or L65R. Step 8. Return S2 to neutral. Push solenoid valve S2's button and twist clockwise 180 degrees to return it to neutral. Do not leave S2 in override. Manual override features are for emergency use only, not for continuous operation. Always restore normal controls once you've resolved the issue. Thanks for watching this tech tip video. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to contact Elliott After Sales Support at 531-772-0829. Stay safe, and we'll see you again next time.